Hello, yes. Welcome again to DM Astrology. We are continuing with the series of Sun. Now we have completed the fourth house, Sun sitting in the Aries ascendant. Now we'll be seeing the fifth house. Fifth house, Sun is entering in his own house. Now see the combination here, that's a Mars being the ascendant lord, Sun being the fifth lord, and placement is also Sun, and Karaka also is Jupiter. All three fire element. So what we have learned, Mars, Sun and Jupiter. So all the fire element, all the fire planet has placed together. When all fire nature, Agni Tattva planet, fire element planet seated together, so this house is very active and very hyper, very energetic. We can say it's a very energetic house because ascendant lord very hyper, Jupiter being a Karak, very good growth, and Sun being a seated planet, also again giving a very good result. So Sun, now here the combination will be Sun plus Jupiter. Mars will allow the fifth lord. So Sun being the lord of this house, Jupiter being the Karak of this house, and Sun being seated in this house. Now this is a house of old deeds, good deeds, bad deeds, punya. We call as a punya. Then love, affection, higher education, speculative gain, sudden gain, akasmik dhanlav we call as a sudden gain, speculative gains, all the hordes and share market, stock, all this also comes here. All your good and bad deeds, punya, pap, all this come under this house. So this is a house where person is connected with his previous birth and again for his child. For children also this is a house. So what happened that children also very disciplined. Being the fifth lord seated in the fifth house, the children will be very disciplined, and again their children is very famous, and their children will be having name fame. Because of the children they might be also known that you are the father of this person, no? You are father of this boy. So like this, Sun being in the fifth house, Sun is the name fame and recognition, right? So fifth lord being seated in the own house, so their own deeds will be very good. Their like, dislike, their love, affection, their higher education, speculative gain, all will be within the house. They have to just try. Sun being seated in this house, they have to just try to apply his punya, his good deeds, he will be success in this house. They must get the higher education. They must get the higher education because Karak of this house is supporting to the seated planet. So seated planet will not obstruct, instead it will boost. It will boost, go, push. It will go and give the result very fast. So whatever the result Jupiter seek to give, that will be very fast by this Sun. Sun will be abstract all the result of that house and try to cater as much as it can. Being the seated planet is its own house, it is very comfortable in this house. So he will one by one, he will open all these things of this house. See, seated planet always try to abstract or push the result. Here seated planet is seated with his own house. Whenever the planet is seated in own house, he will have an entire control over that house. So Sun being having entire control on that house, it will be very good for them to get the result. He doesn't have to go anywhere. The seated planet is itself a lord of that house. So he doesn't have to go anywhere to demand his result. The result will be automatically catered by them. So that's a good combination this planetary is giving in the fifth house. So they are very disciplined. They like very much in discipline. They are very sportsman spirit. They are very much in the sportsman spirit. They always try to learn new things. In higher education, they will be benefited. If they do the masters, they will be dominating the world. If they are in the love and affection, their love will be, they show their love like anything because Sun is the Karaka of a heart also. So they show their heart. They might be getting a person, being sun sitting in the fifth house, they might be getting a person to whom they have some connection in past life. Because sun is the soul. From first house it is seated fifth house, so they will be getting a person in love and relationship, or they might be getting a son with the same connection of the previous birth. They having any person, any deeds balance, so they get the same person again. So here the child will follow the path of the father. Whatever the father is doing, see, son is in the army, navy, air force, in medical line also son is very important, because for diagnosis. So if the father is a doctor, the person will also be a doctor. So that also being happened, that he might be follow his father in the same profession. So for higher education it will be very good. He will be always inclined for inside only. Nobody will push him, go and do master, go and do master. They are the person who will be doing master, and after doing the master, might be from IIT, IIM, or the reputed institute, reputed university, or from the abroad. They might be having a higher education, and in their higher education they will be automatically absorbed to the companies, by the companies. So that will be a good combination in the chart. There will be having a very good combination of higher education. Being sun is seated in the own house, it will be good that all the good deeds and bad deeds. See, it doesn't mean only the good deeds only. It might be a bad deed. So during his life, if the sun dasa he will face, if he faces the sun dasa, or whenever the sun antar dasa will appear, his all good deeds and bad deeds will come immediately. He will be able to meet the person to whom he has some connection in the past life, in the previous birth, to whom he has some soul connection. Even it is not there, it is a human being only, it might be animal. They might be having a liking of animals. See, all the pet also come under the fifth house. Those who are having a connection and liking with the pets, they all falls under fifth house. If your fifth lord is a very powerful, you will be having some connection with the pet, and that pet also has some connection. Either it may be a dog, it may be a cat, or anything. That person, horse, all the domestic animals. The person having a cow, if they are having so many cows, that's also connected his fifth house. So all the soul to whom he has some relation has come out. This is a very good combination in this chart, and in any chart, if the sun in the fifth house, they have some connection with the pets. They are very much liking with the pets. So this is a house of pet where the person has some connection of a person to whom he has some connection in the previous birth. They will be meeting here and completing the deeds. That's a very great thing. If the sun dasa, this person is following, falls under the sun dasa in any time in his life, he will be very much blessed, and he will be able to meet so many people. He will be traveling so many places, so that he will be able to meet so many persons. Or some way it will happen in the higher education, in love affection, in this way of a child, he will be getting a person to whom he has some connection in the previous birth. So sun being in the fifth house, it will be very good combination for the person. That person is enjoying all his good deeds. For sports also, this is a good, that government will give you grant, government will give you all the benefit, and you might be appear for the sports or the Olympic or anything where you will be representing the country. So that good combination this sun can give you. If you are being in army, navy, in air force, or serving anywhere in government also, you will be in the anything in the sports also you are representing. There are so many sports people also recruited by the government also. So this all will be happening with the sun in the fifth house. Their children also follow the path of the father, and their genetic, because sun is a DNA, their DNA will follow entire things. So their son also will be following the path of the father. They will be learning the same stream, becoming the same, either doctor to doctor, or army people to army people, navy to navy, army, anything. If the government serving, then the son is also serving in the government. So in the fifth house, sun, good combination with the Jupiter. Sun Jupiter is a very good close friend, so both will start giving good result. The person also inclined into the spirituality. The speculative gain is also very good, but don't incline more rather than do the good deeds. So speculative gain also very much in this house. Horse riding, horse betting, or share, stock, these things will give you a very good result. From the government securities, is nothing but the government securities will be very beneficial to the you. So this both the way you will be benefited and be getting a very good result combination of this planetary position. So it will be very good if your sun is placed in the 5th house in the Aries ascendant, you will be enjoying like anything. So all your good dates, all your bad dates, love, affection, higher education, your children, and sports, pet, this all will be giving very good result. So sun being in the 5th house, very good things. The person is already obedient, and the child also will be very obedient child, very regular child, very emotional child. So that's why this sun in the 5th house in the Aries ascendant will be benefited. So herewith we end this lesson, and you might be getting very good result, very good knowledge by this video. Do share my videos to your friends, to your circle, so that they will also get a good prediction by this learning this series. And person can contact me for the consultation in my email demastrology1@gmail.com. You can also link with me in my Facebook page DM Astrology, where I am sharing time by time so many good articles, writing so many good things for you. So hope you like this video. Thank you very much. Namaste. God bless you.